What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Raquel, and I'm back, y'all, with another video. Y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? How you been? Yeah, I got my Sephora haul in. Where is it? Over here. I got my Sephora haul yesterday. Well, one of the boxes. That's why I'm not doing a box, because I'm waiting on, it's just my reorders. It's not a lot of stuff that don't come tomorrow. I'll go ahead and post it in case y'all getting ready to shop and, want to have some ideas. And then Victoria's Secrets was having a sale. Everything's coming in separate boxes. Girl, I'm waiting on another package from Victoria's Secrets, and I'll let y'all see, what I got there. Because I think that 50% off sale from Victoria's Secret is still going on. And what's up with my head, you said? Yeah, I got this milkshake color whipped cream. Yeah, Milkshake sent this over to me. All natural colors, supposed to be able to wash it out. So I'm letting my hair hang out and dry. And then I'm going to go ahead on and, they sent that other conditioner. It's in my bathroom. And I really like the conditioner. So when they sent this, I was really happy. Well, I requested to get this, and they sent it over. So all this stuff that be going around my edges, I want to see, if that'll color it up. Because I kind of like this reddish blonde. And this is rose brown. Did I let y'all see that? This is in rose brown. So it washes out. But I'll let y'all see how that come out. But anyway, what we doing today? Y'all, I am hooked on the House of Sillage scents. And I thought if I just get them 5 and I be done, I got a good sale, I'll be done with it. And then the next week after I posted that video, y'all, they got vaults. I ordered 2. Only one is here. I'm waiting on the other one. This is the Dolce Vita. Dolce Vita, Living a Good Life box. So I wanted to get this one. Only thing I did was take it out of that packaging. Y'all see all that plastic wrap? They make sure whatever in here don't break. So we're going to get into that. But let me show y'all. They sent the trend number 7 sample. The trend number 10. I think this 1.0 for men. And then the trend number 5. Okay, those were just the samples. And they sent the trend book, I guess, if you want to order the trend. Remember they sent this with my order, the last order that I ordered. Let me make sure I said that right. Yeah. Let me let y'all see what it say. In case, La Dolce Vita Beauty Fragrance Mist Set. That's what's in this big box. But you know what? The night I ordered it, I looked back the next day. I was going to order my daughter one, and it was gone. But there are like 3 more vaults there. It's the one I got, which is a rainbow vault. And I can't remember the name of the other 2. I'll try to put a picture in here of them if I can remember it. But yeah, along with the vault, I got a House of Sillage pour. It's a sample set of men fragrances, which be good. I'll probably give my sons a set of those for Christmas. And then they sent the House of Sillage Whisper in the Garden sample set. So I'm good on perfume because I got the other big sample set in my purse. And the only one I was really wanting to know, which I don't know why, was the Whisper of Truth. Everybody say it's so good. But it's been sold out. It's okay. One thing about House of Sillage fragrances, you have to let them sit on your skin and dry down, and then you can tell what they smell like. Yeah, I can't tell. Okay, it's a little card here. And, I guess this if you want to gift House of Sillage, you got a little gift card. I'm assuming that's what that's for. Okay, let's see what's in this box, y'all. I don't remember what it said, because it's a mystery, but I know it'll give you an idea of what might be in your box. Let's see. Oh, it's taped. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? See, told y'all I didn't open this. I was waiting on y'all. Y'all like my little all natural look. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me put it down so I can get it open because I ain't want to tear it. Well, I might as well tear the paper up. I ain't keeping it nowhere. Y'all see all my stuff. It's just about packed up. Ooh, they put a lot of paper. I like that. Okay. The first thing I see sitting on top says Ruby Rain Semi-Sweet Chocolate. Semi-Sweet Chocolates? That's what it says. Semi-Sweet Chocolates. Ruby Rain House of Sillage. But what the semi-sweet chocolates? Not for retail. Is this some candy? Y'all see that shoot out my hand? It said candy. Why does it say semi-sweet chocolates? Okay, let's just see what this is. Oh, that's a tiger. I didn't even notice that. A lion? Lion, tigers, and bears. Oh, it is candy. Oh, look at her. It's a Ruby Rain chocolate. House of Sillage. It's a girl. Oh my. Oh my. It's just in there like this. Okay. Alright. Okay. That's cute. I don't know about that there. And it's got a nutrition guide. But I need it to be packaged maybe. I don't know. Is it me? Is this just bougie chocolate? I don't know, but I'm sure gonna eat it. I don't care what line y'all tell you I need to be. I'm gonna eat that chocolate. But yeah, okay. This is the new scent they got, the Ruby Rain with the lion tiger head on it. I want to get that. I said I was gonna get it. I know it just came out. Okay, the next thing I see here, House of Sillage, a lip liner. Girl, hold on. Okay, I don't know what's going on, but it says it's a lip liner. Ruby Rain. No. I'm lying, y'all. This say House of Sillage Nudes Collection. Okay, maybe I was so in. Oh, it's a pencil sharpener back there. Oh, wait a minute, y'all. I got a bougie. Oh, the pencil sharpener got House of Sillage on it. Oh, it is a lip liner. Okay, let's see. I don't know. Oh, it's got a little brush on one end. I don't think this is gonna be, yeah. And that's the shade. I don't think that's gonna be dark enough. Let's see. I guess it could keep my lipstick from feathering, but it ain't gonna really give me no color, you know. I need a little more depth. All right, I wasn't expecting that. And then there's a Monarch 519 Monarch. It's a lipstick. Oh, I can get in it. Girl. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Maybe I don't know how to twist it up. Oh. Oh. Okay. Let me swatch it. That's a pretty blue pink. I like that color. I like that color. Okay. All right, let me keep going, y'all. Let me keep going. This little box here. Okay, that's just paper. Paper. That's it. Cherry Garden. Oh. Okay. Oh, this is the one I had on my list to get. Cherry Garden. And you get some paper. This is a fragrance gift set. Okay. Out of the samples I got from my last order, Cherry Garden was one of the ones I like. This is heavy. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's got a diamond on top of it. And it's got the Swarovski crystals around it. Y'all, I'm finna be slick, bougie. And I already know I like Cherry Garden. So you just pop these out and refill it. 4 refills, so I can check that off of my list to get, because Cherry Garden is one that I wanted. On the samples, I know not to smell it. Oh yes, this going right in my purse, y'all. I bought one of those, 2 really. Well, I bought one for my daughter, those Teflon bags, but I bought the big black one. Y'all ain't be able to tell me nothing. I'm gonna be super bougie with that little Teflon purse and this little heavy, fancy. This smells good. I can smell this right off the bat. Cherry Garden smells so good. Okay, let me quit talking. All right. So far, this is worth my money. And I got a fragrance. This is definitely worth it, because this box was $2.99 plus tax. And then you get the because these are what, $3.50 a piece, and you got all this additional stuff. So I think it was definitely worth the money. Now let me just hope that the scent I got, which I won't be mad either way, is not one that I already have. If it is, early Christmas gifts going to my daughters. One of them. Let's see. What does it say? I don't have it. I don't have it. Oh, I'm sorry. This is the next set that was on my list to get. It's the Benevolence. I wanted this. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Yes. Oh, look at that. That is so pretty. Now I got to spray another perfume on top of a perfume. I want this so bad. Everybody, I saw the comments saying that Benevolence was and Whisper Truth was the favorite scents, but I was like, I usually don't like what everybody like. Ooh. That smells good. You got to let it dry down, but it's the bottle for me. Yes, look at that. Y'all see that? That is beautiful. And it says Benevolence inside. Yes. Now I'm excited to get the other one. I really am excited to get, I think it's the rainbow one I ordered. I cannot wait to get that, just so I can see what I got inside. Y'all, this is like Christmas. These things, y'all, when I get done packing and moving, we're going to have to do a video on all of my houses. See, y'all, if y'all, I'm really happy on this box. This was really worth my money. I really need one of them little bow tie lipsticks. Now, if this what this was to make me go buy one to put this in there, baby, I use this thing right out of here. I gotta see what this gonna look like. I'm putting this on top of one of gummy lips. Okay. Okay, I need to do a lip exfoliating. That's what I need to do. But I'm putting this on top of one of them Buxton. It's the coffee lipstick, so it's probably why it's not showing up bright pink, I hope. But I'm really happy with this box. Okay, guys, if the other one come today, I'm going to pop back in. Y'all be looking the same way, but y'all can get to see what's in that box while they still are on sale on the House of Sillage website. Yeah. Okay, that's it, y'all. I hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Bye, guys.
Where are you? It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still want